And in Nigeria, we have Nigerian Football Federation. We also have our policies, and it is articulated in our statutes, because football is governed by statutes, and that is rules and regulations. So the rules and regulations in Nigeria are clear, and we are following it to the letter. It's like a religion. If you are involved in sports, you must have to keep to them. The football policy does not divide, it's not into gender thing. Football is football. If you know you can kick the round leather objects, then you have to abide by the rules of the game. So what we are talking about here is the rule of the game and not the gender. But the women are actually abiding by the rules, and they are getting it, and they are doing it right. Whatever the men are doing in Nigeria as far as football is concerned, the women are doing it. We're playing league, just like the men have Premier League, Pro League, and Amateur League. We all have it in Nigeria, and the girls are qualifying for their matches, and they're representing the country at every level. Under 17, under 20, and senior teams, we qualify for all our matches. We don't even stop at qualifications. We go all out there to get trophies.